warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Tiara Azika Nufadila dengan NIM 22129374, berasal dari BP22BB11, akan membacakan artikel dengan judul Development of Discovery Learning-Based Teaching Material to Improve Student Critical Thinking Abilities in the Curriculum Merdeka in Class 5 of Elementary School. Introduce. Basic education is the initial education for every child, where formal and informal, which takes place from around 3 years of age to within at least 12 to 15 years of age. Basic education is a passport that individuals really need to live and able to coach, but they do take part in building and future social completely and continuous learning. Basic education is the lowest level of education. The national education system, as stipulated in Law Number, governs the national education system. Basic education can develop attitude and abilities, profile the basic abilities and skills needed to prepare students for further education. Education is a process in order to influence students so that they can adapt as best as possible to their environment and thereby bring about change in principles that enable them to function strongly in school. In the world of education, there are many components that support the continuity of education. One of which is the curriculum. The curriculum is defined as a program that facilitates to support students. The program referred to in this case is a learning process. Manual according to law concerning the national education system, the curriculum is a set of plans and arrangements regarding objective, content, and learning materials, as well as methods used as guidelines for implementing learning activities to excel education goals. So, it can be concluded that the curriculum is a learning tool that a reference is carried out to the learning process in accordance with the explained education goal. As time goes by, it cannot be denied the curriculum is forced in Indonesia will continue to undergo change to make it more adaptation to the demand of the times. As is currently happening, a new curriculum has been launched within institutions not only to meet educational goals but to be more adapted to experience rapid development, and the curriculum is questioned in the Curriculum Merdeka. One of the learning resources that can be used in learning with the Curriculum Merdeka approach is modules. A module in this context is a learning unit designed in structural and modular manner, where students can study independently or in small groups according to their respective learning rhythm. According to Amina, modules in the Merdeka curriculum are learning recursion designed to provide comprehensive guidance to students in independent or group study, with a focus on flexibility and freedom in exploring the material. Teachers play a key role in the process by providing initial guidance, facilitating discussion and problem solving, and providing meaningful feedback to most students to when they better understand. There are also responders for ensuring that the modules are well designed according to curriculum needs and student potential, so as to enhance student motivation and interest in learning through meaningful and interest in learning student care learning experience. The role of teacher is very much needed to motivate student attention for learning because teachers are sent as people will know and love about learning condition and also the learning problem faced by student. Critical thinking is very useful for fifth grade students because from the point of view students have entered this state of contradicting development. This development comes not only from external factor but also internal factor because students experience continued change. The brain is a thinking organ that evolves through a responsive learning process and interacts with the world through perception and action. Therefore, critical thinking skills for class 5 students are expected to be more concrete. The problem that occurs is that students are less enthusiastic about taking STEM subjects because most of them experience a lack of motivation and learning. Apart from that, the lack of innovation from teacher is delivering material, drug lecture and presentations is also an influential factor. Insufficient support from parents for the development of good social attitude and its depends of student literacy and learning has some significant findings. Problems that occur require immediate problem solving action. One effort that can be made to develop approach interesting and effective learning start to show that they can improve teacher skill, student activity, and student learning outcome named by us discovery learning. Basic model development. Discovery learning is a learning state that is to encourage students to be actively involved in the process of discovery or exploring new concepts through discrete experience. This approach is an independent learning where students are welcome to explore, observe, and foster in discovery learning they could lead. By giving students the freedom to deserve discovery learning not only improve their understanding of the material, but also develop critical skills and solving analysis and through its model, students are invited to discovery for themselves what they are. The contract that outlined by now is meaning. It is model the teacher is only a facilitator. According to Savitri, discovery learning is useful in ensuring student intellectual moving away from giving student rewards, holistic learning through the discovery process and a tool for training memory. Critical thinking skills are a competency that must be trained in students because this ability is very necessary is the learning process and in life. Critical thinking skills are also defined as student ability to analyze argument, make conclusions based on reasoning, assess or evaluate, and make decisions or solve problems. Critical thinking skills are important aspects that need to be improved throughout the learning process at school. Learning activities do not only rely on the role of the teacher but are also designed to help students develop thinking skill and problem solving skill, as well as prepare them to become independent individuals. This process allows students to gain intellectual which in turn can improve the ability to solve a problem with more empathy, was critical thinking approach and product for various creative and effective in solutions. One effective strategy to improve student critical thinking is towards discovery learning-based teaching material. This model allows students to learn independently and exploring, helping them encountering complex problems. Educators need to have the tough to learn student critical thinking skill and discovery learning proven in good play from for that purpose. In this learning model, student participation in group learning that allow them to discuss, express opinions, and explore different point of view. This encourages students to develop their critical thinking skill in a more student and sustainable way in the context of teaching and learning activity. Method. This type of reason is a type of development research, which in instance through our product developed in the field of education, which aims to interest in the effective and understanding of student material in learning the result. The development step adapted according to AD model can be described with figure 1. Analysis, design, development, evaluation, and implementation, and feedback and interaction. Trial design. Products are intended to test the feasibility of learning media developed based of material expert. Model expert and rules assessment. There are two assets in product testing to determine the level of suitability of learning media, namely expert validation and rules testing. Expert validation aims to determine the level of feasibility of discovery learning-based learning media which were developed based on material, teaching material, language, design, and technology aspect. The feasibility test is carried out by showing this discovery learning-based teaching, showing material being developed and allowing a number of assessment questions which will be filled out by material and media experts to access whether the suggestions and characteristics that can be used as improvements in developing discovery learning based teaching material. Thus, the worst drill is intended to determine the level of suitability of discovery learning based learning media for us. The discovery learning based teaching material level are used as teaching material for teacher and student was learning process. Teacher and student then fill out an assessment question after the learning process and choose the level of full of discovery learning based teaching material developed. Data analysis technique. This research is quantitative and qualitative analysis approach to gain a comprehensive understanding of the effectiveness of learning models. Quantitative data was what the through validation result for expert as well as practically assessment and for student and teacher, which were analyzed using like crystal to measure the level of validation and practicality of the model. In addition, qualitative data was collected through evaluation student, pretest and protest test score, which allowed researchers to assess change in student understand and skill before and after using the model. To systematically measure product effectiveness, this research analysis and pre-test protest control group design which compared test results between group that use the model and control group that does not use the model. This approach provides a clear picture of the impact of the model over important student abilities, as well as the validity and effectiveness of the model in real education context. result and deviation. Expert validation result. The discovery learning-based model developed but has been comprehensive and valid from various important experts, namely material, language, and media. The result of this validation process show that the model meets the standards set in the 3 HPs. Material evaluation ensures that the content present is relevant and important to learning needs, while language assessment assesses the reliability and clarity of information delivery. The media expert evaluation the quality of the media used in the model. A summary of the evaluation results from their expert engagement table. Table 1. Evaluation ratio of curriculum Merdeka teaching material. Assessment expert ada format learning activity and language tutor score, maximum score, total score, event percent validity and scan. Based on the data listed in the table, the result of the evaluation assessment by validator show an effort total score, which it may turn the qualification of very valid. This score likely in that the Merdeka curriculum teaching material have been assessed very well by expert education that the material met hit quality standard in various aspects. This highly valid assessment indication that the teaching material are not only accurate and relevant but also present in a effective way and in accordance with curriculum needs. With the result it can be concluded that the curriculum Merdeka teaching material are ready for which the breadth was proficient and strong, basis for successful implemented in the field. Validation carried out by material expert, language expert, and media expert for a comprehensive picture of difficulty and feasibility of the model being developed. The assessment from this expert conferred covers important aspects that ensure that the model is not only relevant and accurate in content but also delivered in clear, good, and effective media. The result of the validation show the model meets the instability and all dimension with material expert and liquid expert proving highly valid assessment. Well, media expert profile valid score. Overall, this evaluation confirmed that the model has been fully comprehensive and is ready to be tested in the field. The result of the validator can be seen and is evaluated if Figure 2. Figure 2 validation ratio for expand curriculum Merdeka. Teaching material, question expand material, expand language, expand and media export. Model participation ratio. After validation the model, the next step is testing the model trees where can carried off to obtain the input the inform and responding from student as the target was the model. Identify as the in Kota Timur. The diagram provides a comparison of the real result between the two schools, offering a comprehensive visual picture of the potential and accessibility of discovery learning-based model and each school. With the visualization, we can easily extend the extent which the model was explained and effective in both schools, as well as see different was experienced. Evaluation state. The evaluation state is the research consists of the more step listening to assess the overall effectiveness of the product being developed. The first step in screening of a pretest, which aims to measure student initial level of code language before the learning process begins. The will be providing a basic picture of the understanding. The second step in often a post-test, which is carried out after the learning process to extend in student understand and skill, as will as measure the extent to which the model contributes to improving critical thinking abilities. Thus, the systemically evaluate product effectiveness. This research was as pretest control group design. This design allows to compare the pretest and protest result between the group that used the model and the control group that they was the model to providing clear and measure data about the impact of the model on improving student critical thinking skill. With this approach, reason can effectively assess the effectiveness of model and provide this insight into their contribution to their learning process. Discussion of the practice data and post-test data for the two sample group and briefly summarized in the following table. Table 2, description of practice and post-test data. Followed practice, experience control, and post-test experience control from the result of the pre-test and post-test analysis. The experiment group showed significant improvements compared to the control group. In the protest and the average score in experiment group was 15.0 with a standard deviation of 50.45, while the control group have an average of 46.8 with a standard deviation of 10.94. After treatment, the average score of the experimental group increased to 74.1 with a fixed standard deviation of 12.45, while the control group only escalated to 51.4 with a fixed standard deviation of 10.94. The increase in the average score from pre-test to post-test in the experiment group 15.1 was more greater than in the control group 4.6, indicating that the treatment in the experiment group was more effective in improved results. Although the range of score of the pre-test and post-test was consistent across the two groups, the difference is main improvement indication and positive impact of the experimental treatment. The findings of the research are in line with the research of previous research conducted by Triandini, concluding that model development was feasible, effective, and students respond well to the was of the more. Apart from that, it can also improve student competitive thinking about an average score in the medium category. This is in line with research by Kaisia, Tila, and Osman. Concludes that the model has good validity, improves fundamental thinking skill, and can help student master learning objective for instance and Kolbesia dan Anitya Sari. Conclude they use the street model and improve learning student competent thinking skill are good. Conclusion. This research produced and product the main discovery learning-based teaching material which were developed into the AD development design. Development of discovery learning-based design and scientific teaching material can be declared valid, practical, and effective. The validity test of the curriculum Merdeka teaching model often and free of the validity test of the model obtained an average score of 89%, categorized as very valid. The material expert validation gave a score of 90.6% very valid. The language expert gained 90.0% very valid, and the media expert gave 85.4% valid. The practicalities of the model conducted with educator and student also showed with excellent result. The failure of an student at elementary school extend 5 Koto Timur and each student in elementary school 015 Koto Timur produced average total score of 88.96% and 86.46%. Both categories is very practical. In small group trial with 10 students in each school, the average score there 93.17% and 88.17% is still in the very practical category. Limited growth rates with 15 students in each school showed average score that 92.10%, the 1.67%, which also remain very practical. This ratio from fear that the model was recent containing practical at a different group of learners proving in different as a learning furthermore the effectivities disposing protest and protest analysis showed that experiencing goal experiencing significant improvement compared to the control group. The average score of the experienced group extended from 59.01 the protest to 74.11. The protest failed. The control group was from 46.8 to 51.4. This thing in first school, the average experience group 15.1 was more greater than of the control 4.6 education that experience treatment was more activity in its influence student critical thinking skill. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.